This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Spark plugs replacement. While you are waiting for the engine to cool, check the new plugs for defects and adjust the gaps if necessary. The gap is checked by inserting the proper thickness gauge between the electrodes at the tip of the plug. Spark plug manufacturers recommend using a wire-type gauge when checking the gap. The gauge should just slide between the electrodes with a slight amount of drag. If the gap is incorrect, use the adjuster on the gauge body to bend the curved side electrode slightly until the proper gap is obtained. If the side electrode is not exactly over the center electrode, bend it with the adjuster until it is. Also check for cracks in the porcelain insulator. If any are found, the plug should not be used. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with a prop rod. Loosen and remove the cable nut from the remote battery ground terminal, then disconnect the remote negative battery cable. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Wrapping electrical tape around the exposed cable end is also a good idea while work is being commenced. Disconnect the electrical connector from the ignition coil. Remove the coil mounting bolts, then pull the coil off of the spark plug. If compressed air is available, use it to blow any dirt or foreign material away from the spark plug hole. The idea here is to eliminate the possibility of debris falling into the cylinder as the spark plug is removed. Place a spark plug socket over the plug and remove it from the engine by turning it counterclockwise. Apply an anti-seize compound to the threads of the new plug to facilitate future removal. Thread one of the new plugs into the hole until it can no longer be turned with your fingers. It's a good idea to slip a short length of rubber hose over the end of the plug to use as a tool to thread it into place, particularly if the cylinder head is made of aluminum. The hose will grip the end of the plug well enough to turn it, but will slip if the plug begins to cross-thread in the hole. This will prevent damaged threads and the accompanying repair costs. Tighten the spark plug to the specified torque setting. Install the ignition coil onto the spark plug, then install and tighten the mounting bolts securely. Connect the coil electrical connector. Repeat the procedure for the remaining spark plugs. Connect the remote negative battery cable to the stud terminal on the body. Screw on the cable securing nut and tighten the nut securely.